In an increasingly unpredictable world, access to timely information can make all the difference. Introducing a new approach to emergency awareness. A flexible, tiered system designed to meet you where you are. Because not everyone needs the same level of clarity. Unpaid subscription. Awareness Lite. Stay informed. Receive a standard alert tone and notification that something may be happening. A simple, accessible way to remain generally aware. Features include real-time emergency likelihood slider, updates continuously. Access to community commentary feed. See what others think is happening. Helpful prompts like, others near you have upgraded. Don't fall behind. Awareness Lite is your first step towards staying connected in uncertain times. Tier 1. Clarity Access. No more, sooner. Confirmed emergencies, primary locations, and essential details delivered clearly so you can begin to make informed decisions. Features include full stereo EAS tone for enhanced auditory immersion, confirmed presence of an emergency event, primary location identification, estimated time to impact, severity indicator, color-coded amberish red adjacent, sponsored evacuation pathways, official statement placeholder, optional voice guidance. Clarity Access ensures you're no longer guessing. You're aware. Tier 2. Actionable Intelligence. Turn awareness into action. Get real-time insights, incident types, expanding context, and curated survival strategies, all tailored to help you respond with confidence. Features include stereo emergency alert system tone, downloadable as an MP3, home entertainment use only. Full confirmation of emergency and type of incident. Primary location, plus expanding situational context. Curated survival tips and instructions sourced from the TikTok Survivalist Leaderboard. AI-generated survival scenarios based on your browsing and purchase history. The top 10 ways people like you survive dynamic list. Live emergency feed, chat enabled for community engagement. Companion mode, connect with another subscriber navigating the same event. Trending alerts, this disaster is gaining traction near you. Actionable intelligence empowers you to respond with confidence and community. And finally, our premium package, Elite Situational Dominance, Total Situational Control. Full spectrum emergency intelligence, multi-location tracking, personalized risk scoring, immersive alerts, premium survival integration. You're not reacting anymore, you're operating at peak preparedness. This is what being ready looks like. Features include stereo EAS tone, downloadable as MP3, expertly remixed with Taylor Swift's Shake It Off for morale optimization. Full emergency confirmation with exact incident classification. Primary and secondary locations. Access to ARG Danger Heat Map. Meta VR unit required, sold separately. Pre-event alerts. Be notified before emergencies are publicly confirmed. Real-time personal risk score based on your movement and proximity. Drone-enabled neighborhood footage. Concierge survival assistant. Tailored survival strategies narrated by Bear Grylls. Optional hero mode. Identify opportunities for high visibility survival outcomes. Priority family routing. Individual subscriptions required per member. Exclusive designation, high value civilian. Bonus, monthly survival mystery box featuring essential preparedness gear such as space blankets, MREs, tactical knives, cyanide capsules, triple compass pack, flare gun, flares not included. Continuity Elite isn't just about surviving, it's about staying ahead. System enhancements, available across all tiers. Dynamic pricing may apply during active emergency events. Optional ad-free panic available as an add-on. Engagement prompts like, "Are you still in danger?" Final notice. Subscription tiers, features, and pricing are subject to change at any time without notice. Emergency classification severity and outcome may vary depending on subscription level. Thank you for choosing Gradient, the new subscription-based emergency alert system.